Wall collection devices include gravity settlers, centrifugal separators, electrostatic precipitators. The gravity settlers using gravity to settle particles. They are simple, low cost, used for large particles. Look at this one over here going out. So now just a reflection activity. I want you to think which particles are more easier to treat, to get out. Are they big particles or small particles? Please pause the video for a few seconds to think about that. Again, the question is, which particles are easier for separation? Larger particles or smaller particles? The answer is larger particles are much easier for separation. And this comes from the fact that they can settle much easier. Think about it. If you have a big ball, the big ball will fall directly into the floor. However, if you have a lighter ball, it will take more time to fall into the floor. If you take a balloon, it might actually go up rather than going down. Similarly, dust particles, and smaller particles, they might be in the air for a longer time, and it's very hard to settle them. So that's why gravity settlers, similar to this one over here, it's mainly used for large particles. Second is the centrifugal separators, which uses centrifugal force to separate particles. So you see here the centrifuge in this picture keeps going around in a very high speed around. And based on this centrifugal force, like it's being pushed to the boundary, we can get particles, collect them, and get them out of the gas stream. It's effective for medium-sized particles. Electrostatic precipitators, on the other hand, they use electric charge. So now this is a completely different type where we have a positive and a negative surfaces, and particles will be attracted to either the positive or the negative based on the particle of the charge itself. It's highly efficient. It's used for fine particles, not large or medium. However, it cannot be used for particles that do not have a charge themselves. Next video, we'll be talking about the first type, which is gravity settlers.